Good morning. Next day. Oh, we're about to go down to the pool.
Dad called me and my mom at like 1 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
So, anyways.
I need my coffee. I need some breakfast. I need eggs. I didn't have no eggs yesterday.
I have no breakfast.
You want breakfast?
Lunch.
What do you want?
I don't know.
You want something from downstairs?
Maybe.
And maybe we'll have pizza later. We can go over by the pizza shop. But yes, so I slept well. I was dreaming a lot, but I slept well. I did wake up at almost 2 o'clock in the morning because Greg was calling me to order something on Amazon.
Yeah, for no reason.
Like he couldn't wait.
He wanted to do it already. Guys, I'm recording.
So then I was up for a little bit.
Guys, say hi to the camera.
My mother's over there washing clothes.
So maybe I'll play a little.
Ma, what are you gonna eat?
I'll see when I get downstairs.
She nasty nice. Look at the, when we went in Family Dollar. Look at the,
Don't break it.
what my mom bought. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. And this is like a cup. Improvise. The little vase now. Improvise. Sit right in the window. But yeah. Well, that's it. Ain't nothing going on. When I come over here, it helps me to relax. My mind don't really be all over the place. But, yeah. So I'm just gonna relax. Probably eat pizza later. For dinner. Because I don't know, like, I've been here since Monday. Mama's only gonna cook dinner one time? I don't know. Or unless I cook. I like to be serviced. Oh gosh. Look at this bag. Isn't this cute?
Look at this stomach.
Why do you have to ruin it?
The stomach, I'll be just fine.
You cute though, ma.
You know, have days.
50 wear. Grandma clock and tea. See what we gonna have. So,
We'll sit by the window.
sure.
Well, I know what all right, so.
What do you have, boo boo?
Chocolate muffin.
And hot.
Hot chocolate.
Love the shade.
Chocolate. Now want some chocolate.
Is it good?
Delicious.
Is it good?
Wait, I want the gift of some chocolate. Here.
Yo, Shaq, royalty got a lot of your ways. You gotta pray for her.
What?
All you gotta do is look at your mother knows how it flare up. She is very content. Not even content. When the
How you doing?
When the food is the way she wants it, it's a wonderful, wonderful experience for her.
And when it's not, yeah, that's how I am. Did you see how I can't?
I be like, Greg be like, Ferrier, Shade Boo. Just be like, Greg, baby, your wife, I don't know. You. So I'm happy that she's happy that her muffin is good.
I'm very particular, Ma. That is a part of who I am.
Yes.
When somebody is cooking my food, I want it to come out exactly how I tasted it the last time.
Yeah.
If something is off, I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you something is off. Ooh, they got French toast. See? Ooh. You want food? You okay with your muffin? So this is my breakfast sandwich. That's my mother's breakfast. It would have looked a whole lot prettier had they got it right the first time. Oh, it's cold.
Can't put another leg. Can you have your phone in the pool?
No. Ooh, it's cold. Yes.
It feels like going in an ice tub.
It's cold. It's cold. And let's see.
It's cold, Mother.
Watch it, boo-boo. Ooh, wee, it's cold. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, it's cold, right? You forgot your thing,
What?
the float. You forgot your thing to float. It is cold. Want me to put your hair up? Huh?
The water's cold.
Let me put your hair up. Ma, go inside the little pouch. Her scrunchie's in there.
This couch here?
Yeah.
This one. Sorry.
It's okay. Oh. What are we gonna dip? You wanna dip? In the water.
Yes. It's okay.
I mean, after a while, once you're in it, right? Oh, it's just so cold. Right, boo-boo? Ooh. Okay, I'm a dip. Okay. It is.
The breeze is getting me.
The water feel good. Yeah, that's because it's a breeze, so it's gonna feel cold. Ma, you not coming in? It's cold. That's a fact.
I know that already.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna try to do a little one too. There's kids in here, so I gotta be easy. Alright.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you change.
5 years.
What we about to make? What kind of plantain you have? Sweet? Or
What?
you have plantain, you said?
Sweet.
Okay. So we're gonna have sweet plantain, mackerel, and some white rice. And Royce's gonna have some bear chicken and some teriyaki noodles. And that's it. I'm tired. I look like this because my mother just stressed me out. She's trying to send me home. I'm not going. This couch is so comfortable.
Oh, I put the stuff in the dryer.
So, I made some mackerel, some broccoli, some sweet plantain, and my mother made some white rice. Let's eat it up, eat it up. See when the rice is smoking? I love the first digging. It's like the first sip of coffee. Baby.
Dang. What's up with the little bit of broccoli?
Well, I didn't know how much could actually fit in there. Yeah, take more.
Ask privately with duck.ai. Visit duck.ai to chat privately with ChatGPT
Our plantain.
and other AIs
Huh?
for free.
You said they burn? They are not burnt. Make sure you get your, what you call it, okay?
Thank you, Lord.
Where's like all your forks? Why you got only a little bit of
It's
utensils?
only me. It's only me. It's only me.
Oh, okay.
Only me.
Alright. That food was good. Now I'm just sitting here. Mama and Royce went downstairs to go check her mailbox. That food was good. So now I got the...
Alright, so why was your balloon unpopped?
Got a little cool. AC is blowing like crazy. But I guess I will see you guys in the next vlog. Make sure you share this vlog. Make sure you like it. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Tap the notification bell so that when I post,
This way.
skirt,
Alright, so why was your balloon
skirt,
unpopped?
you can pull up and see what I got going on. And
I
yeah.
ended up popping her balloon.
That's about it for today, but I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next vlog. What it will be, no one knows.
Thank you.
You gotta pull up to see,
Do you
okay?
want to keep asking
Okay,
questions?
okay,
You said you
okay.
had your arms, so I don't know. What do you
Love
want?
y'all.
You tell me.